of standard 5th. Today first time we are meeting, understand, in second sem. So I'll be explaining you about GK. So now this time you will be having one examination of GK also. See here, I have explained you something on the board. So student, you have to purchase the GK book. Understand? GK book you have to learn well of standard 5th. If you have purchased, it's okay. If you have not purchased the GK book of standard 5th, please purchase in the market. The heading is Learn Well. So I will be sending the notes, understand, and you have to copy down the notes. You make 100 pages long scrapbook and write the notes in that. So these marks will be, GK marks also will be included in the second examination, not in this. Now next examination which will be coming. So we will be starting GK from lesson 27, means second set. See, today I am going to explain you. First is about your lesson is 27th lesson, that is about musical instrument. We will not take the first sem examination portion, but we will be taking about second sem 27th page number. Understand? Page is 40 and lesson is 27. Heading is musical instrument. See, I have written some points on the board, but in textbook complete explanation is being given. So you read when I am sending this video, and I will be sending even the notes of this. So you please write down in your, make GK notebook and write in your different book. See here, musical instrument. You know there are so many musical instruments are there. Drum you have seen flute you have been seen, but what type of we are giving here explanation of the instrument. There are different instruments. Piano is there. Understand? So many instruments are there. Understand? Musical instrument you have been seen also. Harmonium you have been seen in the school. You have seen many things. But we will see the instruments, how they are working and what type of this they are having. Understand? What type of figure they are having, means on what they are playing. Some we have used fingers and thumb, some we have to use mouth organ like this, mouth we have to use, then different things we have to use. So now first only some 8 parts are given, 8 instruments are given in your book that we are going to see. First you know that tabla you have seen also, but actually what is big part of the body is needed to understand birth. First we will see. First, the instrument consists of pair of drums. See, pair of drums. Understand? Tabla 1 will not be there. There will be pair of drums will be there. Pair means two. To use of fingers and palm to create the sound. How the sound comes? Understand from the tabla. What we use, which part we use for that? Fingers and palm. Fingers and palm. Understand? To play tabla, what parts are being used? Fingers and palm. Palm, understand? To create the sound. So, palm and fingers are used, and when we play with that on that, so the sound which comes out, that is called tabla. T-A-B-L-A, tabla. Now second we are going to see flute. Bansuri आप बोलते हो ना, bansuri, flute. That is there. But what type is arrangement is there in that? Means which part is of our mouth is being used. You see, the reedless being musical instrument. Sound produced from the flow of air. Understand? What is used here? Flow of air. Understand? Mouth. Part is mouth and reedless being musical instrument, and sound is produced with that and from the flow of the air. Understand? So that this instrument is called flute. Now third, freestanding keyboard instrument. Understand? Stand is not necessary for that. Understand? For computer, how we need one stand is there. Understand? So this standing keyboard instrument, how it is sound produced, foot operating or hand operating, means those two types of these are the harmoniums. One is foot producing, foot also we can use, and hand. So in the school which you are having instrument, understand, harmonium which you are having, that is hand instrument, and operating and through the reed resulting the sound. Reed means there are tar, wires are there, understand, with that the sound is being produced, and that is called harmonium. You have been seen, understand, how the music sir uses this instrument, understand, during your prayer time, understand, even in the function, these all instruments are being used. Fourth, string instrument, popular North Indian classical music, it gives resonant quality, understand. So in the northern, mostly in the northern part of India, sharod, which is an instrument, but this has become old, but many people still in the northern part they use this sharod, understand, it is called reed instruments, understand, wires are there, understand, reed instrument, it is called sharod. So these instruments are specially used in the northern part of India. And harmonium, understand, it is mostly used in the southern part of India. Every house, understand, every house they know some or they play on, understand, instrument, understand, harmonium, understand, and everyone knows about harmonium. It is very familiar there. So every house they do bhajan on that, every week they have God prayer on that. So this type of use, and sharod is mostly used in the northern part of that. Again one we can see, violin we can see. Use a string instrument with 4 string with high pitch which gives violin and cello double bass, understand. So violin, so high pitch means high sound is given with this instrument, and it is called string instrument, and which includes cello and double. So it runs on even in the cello and double bass, understand. So violin we can say. Now musical instrument, solo performance and ensemble use. Solo performance, single person play on this, and it is been ensemble use. Understand, ensemble means duplicate type of this only, it is piano like violin. Understand, like guitar also we can say, piano is being played. People are interested in the olden days, most of the people they used to like to play on piano. So this is also one of the reed instrument only. See now 7, all these instruments are reed instrument. String instrument played by playing with fingers or a pick, understand, with fingers. String instrument playing, so guitar also is big, what is that, they play on fingers, understand, and consists of body and neck, to which string generally 6 or more, understand. It consists, first it consists of a body and thin neck, and that wires are being arranged in that way, understand. So it is played with finger, so that is called guitar. Now 8, string instrument, it drives it resonant from sympathetic long hollow neck and resonant the chamber. Here also sitar also, it is little, this instrument are look almost same, but there is little difference between all. So sitar, understand. So what is that sitar? The body is very big, chamber type it is, understand, front, and there is a hollow neck, understand, and mostly this type of sitar they sit, understand. All these who are musicians, what they do, sitar, they sit and they play. And Saraswati, it is the goddess instrument of Saraswati, we can say goddess. You see sitar, she is having sitar in her hand, goddess Saraswati. So this type of big chamber is there, but here guitar there is small chamber with long neck, and here there is small neck, it is long neck, but chamber is very big. So this type of instrument is they sit and do, and they wear guitar and they carry and then they can play on that. That is called guitar. So this type of musical instrument, what we can say, these all are the types of the musical instrument. I will send you the picture of this and you can write the notes in this way. Understand? Some important points are also identified. Understand? Is given. I will continue. See here, I have explained you about the different. Some are hitless, some with the airflow of the air. Understand? All the different types are played with the different parts. In tabla, fingers and hand is used. So different instruments are used with the different mouth organ. You see mouth with mouth, and flute also is played on that. So different types of instruments are being played on different organs and how they are used. They are all different types, and especially all the musical instrument they are having the strings. Understand? It is mostly played on the string. See now, some names are there. Identify the pictures. Understand? Pictures are given and musical. They are sitting with musical instruments and musicians, and we have to identify. So first it is P.T. Hari Chaurasia. So H-A-R-I-C-H-A-U-R-A-S-I-A, Hari Chaurasia. His name is Hari Chaurasia. How he is sitting and playing one instrument. Second, you have been listen to it. P.T. Ravi Shankar. So R-A-V-I-S-H-A-N-K-A-R. Then third musician is A-N-A-N-D-A-M, Anandam Shiva Mani. S-I-V-A-M-A-N-R. Fourth you see Ustad Afzal Ali Khan. S-U-S-T-A-D-A-M-Z-A-D-A-L-I-K-H-A-N. So you have to pronounce like this, Ustad Afzal Ali Khan. Then fifth you see Ustad Zakir Hussain. So these all are musicians. Understand? They are perfection. They have perfection in different type of different instruments. Understand? Zakir, J-A-K-I-R, Hussain, H-U-S-S-A-I-N, Hussain. Sixth you see Ustad Bismillah Khan, U-S-T-A-D Bismillah Khan, B-I-S-M-U-L-L-H Khan. So now this all down some names are given. Identify. So in examination, if photos are given with musical instrument, down dash will be there. You have to write the name of the musician. Understand? So spellings you write 5 times in your notebook, plus whatever you see textbook is there. So if you see page number 40, lesson number 27, this lesson is been given. You fill up in the textbook also. You write this note, paragraph you write, and down you write as it is in the textbook. You copy down in your notebook. So you can learn these notes and you will come to know. With this I have finished this lesson 27. Understand? Thank you.